Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, so this box was sent by Michael. Thank you very much, Michael. Let's find out what's in here. I'm sure that you told me, and I'm sorry that I have not, well, that I couldn't remember. There is a new list of knives that I'm looking for review that is on my community tab. So if you guys want to go back to the main hub of my channel on YouTube and go over to community, there's a post in there. It might be buried a little bit by the time you're seeing this, but there is a post in there that says, wanted for review September of 2021. Yes, you do get your knives back. All the details are in that post. They're just knives that I'm interested in reviewing. So if you have something and you're willing to send it, then yeah, reach out to me. Contact details are listed in that post. Okay, so we have two items in here that are they're very packed in. Hang on, I gotta make a precision cut. You can't see it, but just you'll have to assume that was graceful. Okay, we've got a Hogue, and we have a CIVIVI, at least the boxes. As I've learned from unboxing stuff on this channel, it's not necessarily always the, oh, what is this? Okay, we have a note. That's great. I love notes. Thank you very much. All right. Thanks, as always, for the great content. I enjoy your insight on knives and general fun and positive demeanor. In a time of division and weirdness that we have all experienced over the past year and a half, it has become increasingly important to have positive outlets to maintain normalcy in non-normal times. You have been that for a lot of people, so thank you for what you do. Thank you. I'm so glad that you view my channel that way, and it will always remain that way. So that just makes me so happy. Enclosed are the, oh yes, okay, I know this now. Yes, thank you very much. Does he have, oh yeah, he does have Instagram. So give this fine gentleman a follow on Instagram. It's because of him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. So this one here is definitely a knife that you guys brought. You guys made sure that I was aware that this existed. So this is the CIVIVI Pintail. Why were you guys so interested in getting me to take a look at this? Here's why. CPM S35VN, dark green micarta handle and black stainless steel liner. This is an S35VN CIVIVI, and it's apparently got a really impressive price tag on it. I will link this down below. I believe this is CIVIVI's, or one of CIVIVI's best value knives when it comes to overall materials. And I'll tell you guys, this is a smaller knife, but it's a good size. It's about a 3-finger position knife. It does have a flipper tab, thumb stud opener. I immediately wish that the flipper tab wasn't there, but it's really not that obtrusive. And I don't get discouraged by that comment if you like this. The reason I say that is because I prefer larger knives. And if it's going to be a flipper, I'd specifically prefer that it was larger on smaller knives, because I put a heavier emphasis on how many fingers can I get on the handle. Some people don't care, right? Make that decision for yourself. I always wish on smaller knives, at least knives that are small, you know, in my opinion, don't have flipper tabs. But it's a good, I mean, it's got a good position on it. It's what you'd expect from CIVIVI. In fact, all the way around, this feels very CIVIVI-y. But it's S35VN, and on a super dupe, is that hollow ground? I think that's a hollow ground blade. Really hard to, yeah, I think that is. Jeez. Okay. Reverse flick, can I do it? Yeah, of course I can. Oh, of course I can. Look at me. I mean, not like I'm so cool. I mean, it's a CIVIVI knife, right? And then this one, which is long overdue, like super duper overdue. This is the Hogue Deca. Yeah, okay, is this, so this is G10, 20 CV. Ooh. Okay, so this is the one that I think people like to put up against the Bug Out. I'd be willing to bet, just based on memory and without even just knowing Hogue, that this guy is substantially less money than the Bug Out. And it is extremely similar in overall size, blade length. Handle shape is a bit different. Give you guys a closer look. Yeah. Real nice. Hogue Able Lock, obviously doing a good job, like it always does. Nice and smooth. Thumb studs are in a good place. What are these? These are metal. Okay. Nice pocket clip. I mean, you know, generic pocket clip, but it works. Yeah. Okay. G10 and 20 CV. Yeah, I will link this guy down below. This is an Eichowitz design. Huh. I wasn't expecting. I didn't know that. Okay. I like the texturing on the scales as well. Lockup is completely solid. Very smooth. And it's centered. I'm guessing we're running on... Yeah, those are phosphor bronze washers. Cool. Okay. Well, this was a fun one. Good, some really good... I'm guessing. I don't know the price of this. I do know that I've already looked at that on Blade HQ. Great price on that guy. I'm guessing with this being a Hogue, G10 and 20 CV. But look at that. They did a hinder filler tab. I always like... Some people consider that an eyesore. I always like this. I like that. That doesn't bother me at all. Guessing that's good value. And you know what? I think there are countless videos about the Deca already. In fact, I know that there are. There are countless videos of the Deca on YouTube and comparisons with the Bug Out, which I will absolutely do. But if you want to go check that out and hear what other people have to say, I think there's a wealth of videos like that all over the place. So, but you can absolutely expect full comprehensive reviews on each of these knives and then a battle video up against the Bug Out with the Deca in 3 to 4 weeks, something like that. This is just unboxing and first impressions. So anyways, thank you so much to Brew City EDC for sending these in. Really appreciate that. Definitely knives I wanted to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.